Building a digital presence for your business isn't a one-step process. It takes constant testing, tweaking, and a lot of back-and-forth problem-solving to actually get things right. For a long time, using AI to help with this meant living in a kind of prompt economy. If you were on a free tier, every question you asked cost you a piece of your daily allowance, leaving you hoarding your text prompts just so you wouldn't run out. There was nothing worse than getting deep into a productive workflow only to hit an abrupt stop and be told to wait. OpenAI just pushed an update that removes these caps for free users. You now have infinite access to text chats using their GPT-5.6 Luna model, which provides sophisticated reasoning without the paywall. Removing the message cap integrates the AI into the core of a professional workflow, allowing it to function as a persistent engine for daily tasks. To make this happen, OpenAI consolidated their model menu, moving away from a confusing list of options and toward a system that automates the technical choices for the user. This animated diagram illustrates how it works for paid users. You operate entirely on a unified model called Soul. Instead of picking a specific AI, you just adjust an effort slider to give the model more computational power for difficult queries. For those on the free or Go tier, the default is now the Luna model. It's a lean, efficient version of the software that can now handle an unlimited volume of text requests. Free users get a new Think button. This breaks down what happens when you press it. For complex tasks, a single input enters a processing loop, analyzing the problem from multiple angles before giving an answer. This comparative chart shows the direct result of that extra time. Factual errors drop by over 60%. For a business owner, a 60% reduction in mistakes means you spend significantly less time proofreading outputs and more time actively building your content. Building a digital marketing campaign from scratch is a perfect test case for this new unlimited access. You start with keyword research, asking the AI to generate 30 niche-specific SEO keywords for your industry. Immediately after, you tell it to organize those exact keywords by search intent and use them to draft a series of blog titles. Then you ask it to outline a landing page layout, going back and forth to adjust the design and refine the tone until it reads perfectly. In just a few minutes, you can fire off 7 or 8 major revisions in a single, uninterrupted sitting. Under the old system, a 10-step iterative conversation like this would have triggered a paywall halfway through, stalling your progress. The unlimited free tier finally matches the messy, back-and-forth way humans actually execute digital work. This update introduces a new best practice for your workflow. The standard chat interface is now the primary space for brainstorming, asking questions, and solving problems through iteration. This logic tree maps the distinction. Route brainstorming down path A to chat. For multi-step tasks outputting a file, route down path B to the work workspace. This preserves metered limits on your paid work features while using the infinite loop in chat. This move removes the software subscription cost previously required for high-volume SEO research. Now, a solo user can perform the same density of keyword analysis and content mapping as a dedicated agency without a monthly software fee. Small businesses now have direct access to the same market research and content strategy tools used by large-scale competitors. OpenAI's update provides a persistent layer of analytical support for any business operation, ensuring high-level strategy tools remain a standard, zero-cost part of the digital landscape.